To make a vent, make a wall and make a hole. Second, make a vent part, place it, pick whatever texture you want. I'm gonna make it vent. I like this texture. Click apply, make it fit, so it will fit. Close it, select the vent, press Ctrl T, make it funk breakable, click apply, go to strength, this is the hit point, I want to make it 300. Click apply, close it, run your game.
Let's go.
After you start your game, go to the vent, start nothing. There, you can break. To change the vent sound, select the vent, double click, go to material type, I'll pick metal because it's metal, click apply, run your game and it should change.